Introducing our modern Oasis retreat house plans, where architectural innovation meets the tranquility of nature. These thoughtfully designed plans are a blueprint for a contemporary living experience that seamlessly integrates the indoors with the outdoors, providing an exceptional sanctuary for those seeking a life of modern luxury. Key features: open concept design. The modern Oasis retreat house plans embrace an open concept layout, allowing for fluid movement between living, dining, and kitchen spaces. The spacious interiors are bathed in natural light, courtesy of expansive windows that provide sweeping views of the surrounding landscape. Chef-inspired kitchen. The heart of these plans is a chef-inspired kitchen outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances, premium finishes, and abundant storage. It's a culinary haven where gourmet cooking and entertaining effortlessly come together. Master Suite Sanctuary. The Master Suite is a true haven, featuring a generously sized bedroom, a spa-like ensuite bathroom, and private access to an outdoor terrace.